Hey guys, I'm giving away a Bitax. Just subscribe and leave a comment. I will choose the lucky winner from the best comment. Good luck! Now let's go back to this video. I accidentally damaged the 4-pin header connector for the Bitax screen, and in this video I will show you how to fix that using nail polisher to smooth the access solder and the UV glue, using the 20 gauge wire, just a single strand, and some PCB, UV glue and UV curing lamp. Show you how to do that step by step. Just watch the video, and if you have any question, just comment and let me know. And just like that, we have a working screen. You just have to be patient, take your time, and you will do just fine. Thank you again for watching, and leave a comment or ask question if you have, and see you in the next video. Thanks again.